I am given this honor of singing the wedding toast. But since there are some language barriers, okay, I did not know what to do. I did something and it is here, okay? And this is from my family to you. Let's go, guys.
Everything's ready. You are one of us now. Please give a very big hand for that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.